name is Avinash Bhaskar Chate. I am an entrepreneur and a motivational speaker. The word hacker itself has a negative impression in all of us, right? We imagine hackers means something scary, but that is not the case, my dear friends. Ethical hacking and hackers are two different aspects. They are contradictory. Problem is people don't have actual meaning of hacking. Every day we see news that some Gmail is got hacked, Yahoo got hacked, Facebook got hacked, Snapchat got hacked, or any kind of business portals are getting hacked. Hearing those, we create a feeling that ethical hackers are thieves. In today's world, we are addicted to the technology, right? We cannot live without mobile and tablets or computers. In short, we cannot live without internet. Can you? We are so addicted, and more people are getting connected day by day. That means more devices are getting online. People and devices are getting smarter day by day. Everyone have at least one mobile in their pocket. Some have two, some have three, right? How come this is connected to my today's subject, that is ethical hacking? Let's see in detail. See, one port is not enough to control. We have one computer now with 65,533 ports connected to your phone, connected to your tablet, connected to your smart AC, smart car. Everything is getting smart, all right? We cannot reside without internet. Internet is our life next to our wife. It has got that much of importance in our life day to day. Suddenly, you have hundreds of thousands of ports to manage. So you move from one little port driving society to your own personal telecom companies. We live in a digital world which has been developed by us, and unfortunately, as per the statistics of Computer Emergency Response Team India, as in a certain past 6 months, majority of our systems and websites are hacked. So my dear friends, a hacker can stay in a network over 225 days. You don't even know about that. We are even surprised that they are continuing the hack. Security is nothing, it's just a feeling which I feel. So today I am going to change this word hacker from criminal to critical. I repeat, I am going to change this word hacker from criminal to critical. And the reason why is because we need to set a new definition by today. So how did this hacking arise? What do you feel? Any clue? Anyways, let's take a small situation. Let's take a small scenario. Most of our mobile have that pattern lock, or some have that passwords, passcodes, right? Why do we need such kind of passwords to our phone? Maybe we need this password, passcodes to protect our gallery, to protect our mobile applications, right? And sometimes what happened, I will share a scenario. This small guy lifted my mobile above the head and traced my mobile when I was doing that pattern which is available there, and with that trace he opened my mobile, and I was wonder. Look at how hacking starts. Is it a criminal or critical? And this has led to ignite a fire inside that yes, we can fool the machines and computers. But eventually, my dear friends, you need to understand you cannot. And the reason behind is machine, computers, or let's say robots work on a specific protocol. Protocol means rules and regulation which is designed by humans, and that means we are fooling human brains and not the computer. So what actually a hacker can do is they fool you by fooling a human brain. 99% of hacking done in this world is not on the servers, it's on the clients. They fool you. So learn hacking to stay secure. You cannot stay secure by depending on anyone. So do you have any idea about spoofing the caller identity on your mobile phone? Well, a 10-year-old method, but still it is fascinating. You just need a virtual phone or a software phone. Type from whose number you wanted to display in the receive phone with a country code. Type to whom you wanted to call, and it happens, my dear friends. This is a common technology used in every call center and BPO at this point of time. In today's world, the technology can do anything you want to. Can make a fool out of people, can make couple get divorced, can do whatever I want. And because the authenticity of mobile has gone. Even though it is a 10-year-old technique, we couldn't able to stop this. Because internet is connected to whole world. If suppose government of India bans this, that could be in their own server. They cannot make it in the other countries like Malaysia or South Africa or Australia because they may not have any law like this. You cannot stop this attack. So what is the countermeasure? How you will be secure yourselves? The only way is learning hacking by yourself. You need to understand it by today. Today, the craze of people want to study how to hack and not to get secure. There are a lot of institutions, a lot of training centers providing training on how to hack the Facebook. But you know what? They do not know how to secure their own Facebook accounts. So now the human nature is that we go towards a negative thinking and not the positive thinking. If we teach you a unique technique just for the security purpose, you won't get a security out of it, but you will get a malicious intention out of it. And that is why you have a bad perception for the hackers. The only golden rule that we have in this world of hacking is we cannot hack those who have some knowledge as we have. If I want to hack you and you know the attack, I cannot attack you because you already know that this is attack happening in front of me. Well, there are a lot of viruses going on into the market this point of time. One example is ransomware virus is one of them. Ransomware virus, you must have heard. A ransomware virus is you will be bullied to pay money to their accounts. Hope you have heard this virus. Every day people get mails stating that you have won a Coca-Cola ticket or you have won some kind of World Cup ticket, send blah 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 blah. Do you get that what I'm saying? Who is sending these mails and why these people are sending this mail to us? You know what? These hackers will do a mass mailing to hundreds of people, thousands of people, and out of these 100 people, 15 people will reply. And these 15 are more than enough for them to be fooled. They are earning because that is their business. Now why they are successful? Because out of 100, 80 people ignore that and 5 are intelligent and know this is a phishing mail or a mail sent to trace you. And 15 were the fools who do not know anything. Every day we get a mail or a message stating that my Facebook has been got hacked, someone made a fake profile of mine, and why is it so? My dear friends, social networking is a huge platform, we all know, for everything, for marketing, for business ideas, and for getting in touch with good people, but it has the cons as well. It has some negativity as well. If I am making a fake profile of yours and it will not asking for any identity, what will you do? Do you know the countermeasures? Do you know what to do? Whom to approach? Or can you call Mark Zuckerberg? Absolutely not, right? The only answer to all these problems is you can secure yourself if you know ethical hacking. Our government of India has already started working on it. We know a lot of education industries like CBSE pattern, we all must have heard. They have started already the cyber security in the school itself. A student of 6th will start learning cyber security, and the reason being you need to learn this as your course curriculum. Once you know the cyber attack, you can also secure yourself easily. There is only one thing that can secure you. If you are a normal user, people attack you and you will be gone. If you are a white hacker, that is an ethical hacker, they try to attack you. By their attack, bounce back and go back to them. So the only security in cyber world is by learning ethical hacking by yourself. Else security is just a feeling, it does not exist in this actual world. If you want to say secure, or if you want yourself to be positioned as difficult to crack, learn hacking for yourself. Let's have a look on some of the stats. Globally, more than 1 billion users activates Android every year. More than 100 crore of people using mobile internet, and in that 47 crore are Indians and which are active internet users. More than 50 billion apps are downloaded in the year 2018. Internet has 1.6 billion active users. As per predicted by some reports, more than 350 million people are using the internet in their day-to-day life. And in 2020, there might be around 650 huge number of users. By smartphone survey, as of now, 200 million users are active every day. Soon it will extend up to 500 million users by 2020. We have seen the emergence of e-commerce. We have seen the emergence of Flipkart, Amazon, Book My Show, Paytm. All these apps are bringing the customers on internet and on cyber. Government has already started the initiative Digital India, and government is aggressively promoting this digital India. We have seen demonetization, which has been lead to the payment gateway and which has lead to the digital payments across this nation, and soon we will see everything is getting into digital. If you want to book any kind of appointment, if you want to do any kind of meeting, if you want to pay to any kind of services, if you want to buy anything, and it will be digital, that means it will be connected to the internet, and internet is connected to the hackers, my dear friends. Not only this, I have a whooping fact for you, and that is India requires every year, according to the NASSCOM reports, every year India requires more than 1.5 ethical hackers every year. And what we are producing, only 77,000 ethical hackers are getting produced every year. Well, according to the reports of NASSCOM India, we require at least 1.5 ethical hackers every year. But unfortunately, India is producing only 77,000 ethical hackers every year, which in comparison is very low. So opportunities to the ethical hackers are more in the numbers. In terms of demand versus supply, the demand is huge, and the supply is very less. And if you are a computer engineer, if you are an IT engineer, or if you are anyone who has interest in cyber security, congratulations, all these ethical hacker careers are having a whooping and huge demand in the market. In the recent times, we have seen a lot of websites are getting hacked. The best example I want to give is Donald Trump website hacked, defaced, hackers claim to be Iraqi. And not only Donald Trump, but the application which was created for Mr. Narendra Modi, the PM of India, was also being hacked. In India, 22-year-old Indian hacks PM Narendra Modi's app. According to the report of yourstory.com, a 22-year-old hacker, Javed Khatri, claimed that he was able to hack the PM Narendra Modi's app, which is separate from the official app and is available on the Android, iOS and Windows as well. Javed Khatri, in an email to Your Story, said that I am able to access the private data of the user of the app. The data includes the phone number, email, name, location, interest and last seen, etc. Javed Khatri claims that he has successfully managed to extract the data like personal phone number and email IDs of the ministers like Smriti Irani. Not only that, Khatri said he can make any user on the platform follow any other user on the platform. Not only this, in the recent times we have seen stenography. Stenography is something, an image is shown and we are forced to click on that image, and when we click that image, with the help of image, our system gets hacked. Phishing is also one of the type of hacking. Hacking one's account, such as bank account, to steal their money. Hacking one's computer to gain access in order to steal the valuable resources, mainly the concentrated with money. We have seen a lot of phishing emails. We get an email, lot of mail which states that you have won this and you have won that, is nothing but the true example of phishing email. I can show you a hacking bank account with a fake page which is created. It is same as ICICI Bank internet login page. This is true example of phishing. So what are the roles of an ethical hacker? It may be scanning ports, it may be conduct security evaluations, it may be finding the vulnerability. Okay, so where you can get a job as an ethical hacker? Which companies recruits ethical hacker, right? You have that question. Let me clear one thing. Any company which uses internet and computer requires an ethical hacker. I repeat, any company which uses a computer and internet requires an ethical hacker. Many leading companies recruit ethical hackers with lot of good packages. Companies like TCS, companies like Wipro, companies like Infosys, Dell, Honeywell, as I said, Tata, Syntel, Tech Mahindra, HCL, ICICI Bank, SBI Bank. Lot of companies recruit ethical hacker to secure their network. What is the average salary for a certified ethical hacker? You maybe have that question. Yes, but you need to be a certified ethical hacker. If you are a certified ethical hacker, the salary ranges from 2.4 lakhs to 12.5 lakhs per annum. So what are the designations you get when you do ethical hacking? Very simple. you may be placed as a network security administrator, network manager, ethical hacker, penetration tester, self-information security officer, application security tester, application security manager, junior security auditor, security certified programmer, security certified information user. A lot of designations are available when you do ethical hacking. Let's take some time to discuss few threats which hackers face day to day. Common security threats like network attacks, packet sniffing, monitoring every packet that crosses to the network. Then there is a man in middle, insert a router in that part between client and the server and change the packets as they pass through. Like DNS hijacking is also there. Insert malicious routes into DNS tablets to send traffic to genuine sites to malicious sites. Then there are web attacks like we discuss as phishing, like ICICI Bank example. Phishing an evil website pretends to be trusted website. Email phishing, it is designed to steal your identity, your money from the fake pages. Like DOS attack is there. DOS attack involves a group of compromised system, usually infected with viruses like Trojan, used to perform an attack on the target system or a network. Again, there are common security threats like social engineering attacks. Like social engineering is ever growing, we all know. Threats to organizations all over the world, and that is used to compromise companies every day. There are certain malwares which is used in ethical hacking to hack or hijack any kind of computer. Is some viruses, some adwares, some Trojans, we can say, some spywares, backdoors, keyloggers are there, Otros, lot of malwares are there which these hackers use and block your computers. So one question you all must be having in your mind, like who can do ethical hacking, right? What is the qualification required for ethical hacking? See, if you are a diploma person, a degree person, or a 12th person, or a 10th pass out person, and if you have an interest on cyber security, if you have interest on hacking, this career is for you. Hope you like this video. Please like this video, comment on the video, share this video to the people who are eager to know about ethical hacking, and subscribe to my channel. I'm signing off. Thank you.